trying to get some money and take care of my family and get a crib for my mama and make sure she's straight. I'm just trying to get some money. But these haters trying to stop me and that money keep on calling. I'm just trying to get some money and take care of my family and make sure my mama's straight.
Hey everybody, of course you all know who we are. We're part of the Mania family. And today it's just going to be us because we're doing some adult beverages.
Yeah.
So we're going to do our version of what we call a pineapple, strawberry, daiquiri. People may call them margarita, but I'm saying a daiquiri. And we're going to mix it with Crown.
Yeah.
See this shit?
Yeah. Put you in the mood. Okay.
See? That's why. I don't know if he needs none of it.
Alright, show me what we're working with. What we working with?
So, we kind of like putting together different little stuff. We got the pineapple juice, we got some strawberry puree, and the strawberry mix. And then, of course, you got the Crown. And then we're going to put a little Sprite in there to give it a little fizz, kind of like, you know, so it can get a little kick to it. But we also going to put some Jolly Ranchers in there to give it a little bit more flavor. And, of course, you got your ice. So we're going to start this out and see what we come up with, child. Okay. We're gonna put this at the bottom first. It's kind of already frozen.
What's that called?
The strawberry puree.
Okay. Strawberry puree. Got that there.
I need to get a spoon.
Yeah. We ready, man. We ready.
Yeah.
Alright, what's
Put that
next?
down in there real good. Then we're gonna pour a little ice in there just so we're gonna stack this kind of like.
We're gonna make a big cup, a big old cup. We're gonna have a couple cups, cause I plan on getting.
You know, the more ice you have, the more slushy it is. So you want to make sure you have that. I opened this candy up so y'all don't have to worry about watching me open it, and it's kind of stuck together now, but it's gonna crunch it up. It's just a ninja. Then you're gonna put a little pineapple juice in now. I like strawberry more so, but the pineapple is gonna give it a little flavor. You don't have to pour a whole lot in there.
Clean up on aisle 3.
Yeah, you see.
Gonna make a little mess. It's alright though.
So we already had some Crown open, y'all. So before we open the new box, we're gonna kind of use the rest
Finish
of
that
it.
off there.
And with the alcohol, it's all up to you. Now, you don't want to taste it, but you want to be able to feel it. So you just put, some people measure theirs and put like 3 shots in it. We just gonna pour out.
We want to sneak up on us and then we're gonna be like, yo.
Really?
Oops.
He done poured the whole thing in there.
Yep, so you know what that means, right? Yeah, boy.
We might need put some more ice in there. The alcohol melt the ice.
Yeah.
So then I'll pour a little bit of this on here. It's gonna give it a little bit more of this strawberry taste. Yeah, we're gonna have to put some ice in there. Pour all that ice in there because we want it to
Yeah.
kind of slush it. That's the whole purpose. Okay.
On these ninjas, they got a frozen drink button on there, so that's the button we use to make it all slushy.
Yeah, because you got smoothie, then puree gonna make it a little bit more watery. So. Gotta cut it out first, y'all. See how I tried to do that? See how I had to blend out.
Players mess up.
Okay, here we go, guys. We're gonna add a little Sprite to this, y'all. Put that little fizz in there.
Right.
Not much, just a little bit.
Obey your thirst.
And then, of course, we want to taste the strawberry taste. And although he poured out that crown, I don't think it's enough.
Nah, ain't enough. That wasn't enough. We right. We need to go a little bit bold. Hey, you can never have enough liquor, baby. They say the more, the merrier.
Is that what they say?
Yes, ma'am, Brett Ham.
Okay. Wanna come up, did you?
Pull up. R.I.P. all my dead homies. Dead.
Yeah, that's a lot of drink. Woo. And we got a kickback going on or something.
Toast, yeah, it's gonna be one of the kickback drinks we put together for the clean when they touch down.
Okay, you don't want to make it too watery, so we gotta watch the blend. And then
Put some of this at the bottom. Get a little flavor.
and make it look kind of,
Yeah, make it look cool.
yeah. Presentation is everything.
Some little razzle-dazzle. Yeah. Fill my cup, let it overflow. Let it overflow. She ain't hear me. She ain't hear me though, y'all. She ain't hear me.
Yeah, you gotta.
Right.
Okay, he
Right.
want
Yes, Lord.
a grown man drink.
What? Yeah. I'm trying to be bumpy face. Alright. Trying to be sure that yourself, not I. Alright. Oh, that's real good. I might drink all this, but I know it's gonna sneak up on me, so I'm gonna take it slow. All right. Hey.
That's our version of how we make our little daiquiris with our crown.
Oh yeah, that's good too.
I'm sure it is. Same thing. So yeah, guys, we're finna get out of here so we can go enjoy our drink.
Yep, y'all make sure y'all comment below, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah, hit that bell because we're gonna be posting. You need. I kind of already started feeling, so I'm out this thing, baby. Here, you can have what you got.
Bye, guys.